What's up, Mythic Crew? So in one of our last videos, we finished the 240 SX. Then I was driving it around, took it to a gas station, filled up, and it started misfiring after that. I've been trying to diagnose the issue ever since. Today, I've got a fuel pump that we're gonna toss into it and see if we can get it to work. First, I'm gonna show you guys what the car sounds like when you get it started. So as you can hear, it's really slow to start up. It roughly starts up, and if we do go to drive it anywhere and give it any gas, it starts to misfire like absolute crazy. I got a Walbro 255 fuel pump that we're gonna throw into the car, and hopefully that's gonna solve our issue. Now first I wanted to loosen it up so we can move it off to the side and get these hoses off. Okay. There we go. Okay. This hose has fallen off of the pump that's in here, so that is definitely not working correctly, and we are definitely not getting enough pressure. Our new Walbro pump is much bigger. Now we need to take off the pump insulator. A hard pinch. Those wires are extremely tight in there now. Thing that was missing from the last one is that it didn't have an insulator. Push on our filter all the way.
At this point, we have the entire hanger put back together with a new insulator and with a good hose connected to the new Walbro 255 pump. So let's get it back in the car. So first we put the hoses on with brand new hose clamps. I'm tightening that. Then we'll put the bolts in and tighten the hanger. Last but not least, we put on the cap, tighten it up, and then we can put the battery in and try to start the car.
So now that we've got the pump in, let's start the car, see how it runs, and then I might take it for a test drive and see if the misfire is gone. So already you can hear the car started immediately and it's running way better. I think this may have solved our issue. I'm gonna go take it for a loop. Did we save the abandoned 240? Maybe. So as you can see, that solved our issue. I'm super glad we got the 240 back and running. It actually feels faster than ever, and I'm excited to drive it around and have some fun. So if you've liked this video and liked that we saved the 240 and we're back on it, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.